So today I want to try a new agent framework. So there was yet another agent framework that I haven't tried, built on top of vercel.ai. Seems like there's also, I guess, a paid platform. There is, I'm guessing a free version of this. Just gonna go ahead and instantiate this inside of my project. Okay, I'm gonna be using a bun. How do I execute this in bun? Bun npx. Bun run. Hold on, okay. Sure, yeah, let's do it over here. Sure, install this. I want an agent that has a connection to the GitHub and can review my code and give me suggestions in line on what needs to be improved based on maybe the cursive files that I have. Yeah, I just want to kind of review, but I have tried different reviewer applications. I just want to try how hard it is actually to build your own thing. Well, I'll just call it a reviewer. Why not? Oh, it gives me the npm installation. Let's see what we got over here. It seems like it got stuck. Let's dig into docs, see what the examples that they provide. It's built on top of vercel AI. Makes sense. You have to provide your own key. Makes sense. Yeah, so still got stuck over here. Let's try it again. Create Mastra. Review. Sure. Okay, it's gonna ask me questions. You can choose what components you want. That makes sense. And then you just run a script. Cool, and that just works. Sure, let's do agents. I'm not sure if I need workflow. What are workflows? Workflows API. When to use workflows? Single call to language model. You may want to run multiple steps conditionally, skip certain parts, or even pause execution altogether until you receive user input. Sometimes your agent tool calling is not accurate enough, and that's the workflow. Okay, I don't know. You can add it later. Sure, add the tools. Using a topic. Skip for now. Add example. Okay. npm Swagger UI over here. Oh, okay. There's a memory, telemetry, workflows, logs, tools, API, vector. That's a lot of APIs. Okay, let's take a look at examples. So creating Mastra, weather agent. Weather agent is located here. Yeah, seems like a prompt, and we provide tools. So it's just a wrapper around AI vercel thing with additional memory, I guess. What else is additional here? Okay. So let's just say I'm gonna create my own agent. Let's say we're just gonna call them like GitHub. And I'm assuming, let's see, how do I editor? Index, create an agent, request views, take a look at example of index. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm probably gonna need like some kind of Node.js GitHub API. Let's go to maybe here. See what GitHub provides. This is for actions. Okay. GitHub API. So it's a wrapper published 4 years ago. Turn to this library. Cool. Alright, looks good. Let's see. GitHub PR review agent. Cool. Tools. Comment on line number. Comment on line number. Is that installed? So it's here. Property ID is missing. So ID as in here, ID like this. Okay, let's see what the tools are. Tools. Creating tools. Create tool. So create tool. Let's get rid of this window. Create tool ID, comment on ID number, parameters, description. Okay. Use this documentation to create a PR review agent. Provide all necessary API access that is needed. that is needed from GitHub. GitHub API Node.js library. Okay. Yeah, is there a library? AutoCAD.js? GitHub.js, GitHub API. This is GH CLI. I want a library. Library JavaScript AutoCAD.js. Okay, so this is an official. Last week seems to be alive. Okay. AutoCAD REST. Use this. But use npm. Interesting. Get div, create tool. What is this garbage? AutoCAD REST. Directly from, okay, so it's AutoCAD without anything. Nice. Okay, so it didn't add this thing. Cool. Let's go to viewer. Add where's the installation? Just AutoCAD. Okay. AutoCAD. Alright, new prompt. Use AutoCAD. There are ducks. So I need environment variables. Oh. Okay. GitHub. PR URL. PR URL. Okay, so PR URL. Why is this needed? It will be provided as a parameter. Okay, this time doing some regex matching. No need to do regex matching into the repo owner and PR name parameters. Just construct URL. Yeah, why the fuck is this like this? Okay. Comment line number. So we can do comment line on number, submit review, then get diff. What else does this agent need? It needs to approve when everything is good. So, and then how do I execute agent? Let's take a look. Agent overview. So you run it as a server, and then what? Structured output. So you're starting a server, and then you basically curl that shit. Okay. So maybe you get diff. Looks pretty clean to me. Tools. Did I write everything in line? I guess. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. Leave it for later. Leave this folder for later. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. And then can I execute from here? What's the idea of this? Does this have an ID? String path, what's the ID? GitHub agent. Try it out. Execute. Cool. Now speak, listen, execute. Tool generate. Generate. Try it out. Agent, GitHub agent. Execute. Messages must be an array, core message or UI message. Well, I have to send this. Let's see. Create pools, create view. Get files, pools list files, get pull requests, get review comments. So pretty good so far. I think I might need to give it token. I might need to give it a token. Okay. How do I execute again? stock agent, stock prices. Okay, yes, so there is an agent, got tools, and then you should create this in, okay, and then you pass in generate. So and then you curl with the post, curl with the post. Okay, cool. Start the JSON schema. Prepare tool choice. What's wrong with this? Can I read properties? Something. I am running Mastra dev terminal for nah, it's running, but it's failing after post call. Parameters are properly defined without schemas. Let me fix schema definitions in GitHub agent. Which schemas are we talking about? Okay, that schema. Output schema. No. What are you doing? Okay. No, I think you were okay. Hallucination. Oh, because I got rid of this. Okay, let's see. Tools. Input schema. Here's how to create tools. So input schema. It's not parameters. Right, so then I don't have to specify a type over here. Is this type now? No. This is not a handler, this is execute. Right. No, but it's an input schema. Use input schema parameter, and then use execute for functional calling. And parameters are in context. Dude, you looked at this webpage already. What's wrong with you? This is an example. Structure it this way. Bro! Don't be stupid. Okay, got stuck. Good schema. No, it's still doing it. Okay, next. Use input schema and execute from docs example to build tools. There's no parameters. Is there? There's this is the interface. And it doesn't even give me an error for like passing. I can pass whatever. This is the interface. Bro, who added this? Why would they have something like that over here? Okay. Interface iAction. That's not the one, right? Types interface iAction, extend iAction. Interesting. Where's this any come from? Let's see. Any. Not really sure. At this point, let's see. Okay, that's enough. You just need to destructure, bro. How hard could it be? Pool number. Commit ID. Do I need commit ID? Oh, I do. Commit ID. What was it previously? Process and GitHub show. It should be inside of the context, right? Object, file. Right. Right. I'm just supposed to like the structure over here, right? Active keys, rest. What am I doing? Pools. Create, list, get. Comments. Building activity, code scanning. Pools repo. Pool. What's the API that I was using here before? Create review comment. Let's see. So await. Parameters. What are the parameters? So the parameters. But I'm passing this thing over here, but it's not available. So it says create tool. Oh, I see. This tools from what? This is from vercel tools. What's the difference from this tool and the tool I'm doing over here? Create tool from Mastra tools. Create tool from tools. Okay, docs are already outdated. Right, tools. Is this the same? Okay, so for this, I need to do input schema, description, and execute. So execute has object with context. So context, and then the rest of the stuff. Jesus Christ. Why are they mixing? What's the difference? This is a wrapper. Okay, so this is a wrapper. Okay, so I have a context, and then same idea here. Now I need to tab this. Get rid of that. Okay. Okay. Pool number. Same thing. Pool number. Okay, from the top. So I'm confused. Where is it gonna get the? Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, prompt. Cool, perfect. I'm confused. Where is it gonna get the? So there's a token. That's fine. But where is it gonna get this commit ID? And it's a commit ID within pull request. So I don't think that's gonna work. So plus the environment variable won't have show number get pull request information first, then grab latest SHA number on that PR instead. Cool. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get the I think I have the token populated. Double check. Maybe not. Let's see. I'm gonna add a token. I need a token. Let's see. I need a token. Hold on a second, where are the tokens at? Developer tools. Developer settings and go personal token. Turn it new token. Here's my phone. Token name reviewer. For my repo. Cool. What type of permission do we need? Give me a list of permissions for this reviewer that I need. Did I fix it? I think I fixed it, right? Gets the pull, there's a PR, and then it gets the SHA number from there. Okay, I need pull request, read pull request. Right. Let's see, pull request, read and write. Oh, I guess it needs some mandatory data as well. Anything else? So read, write, got it. The token. What's the GitHub token? Okay, cool. GitHub token. Okay, cool. So I do have a GitHub token now. To restart this thing. Okay. let's see, create. So maybe I need to create a pull request so that I can review something. Create a pull request for this. Cool. Create a alert for this. Database. It's using some kind of database. So you want to run it by yourself, then cool. Oh, this is too long. Make it concise. Yeah, that's smooth enough. Okay. So there's now a pull request along with the other bots. So these are the bots that I tried before. I have CodeRabbit set up on assertive mode, and it's nitpicking, but it's not really helpful for me. This guy, Track Review, it's a competitor of CodeRabbit. It just signs off on everything, just gives me a green check mark for whatever I'm doing. It's just like kind of all good, no changes needed. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Create a folder scripts and write the script to call this agent against example PR. This one. Let's see what else. Yeah, just this one, just one. Yeah, accessing it directly, that's all. So it's like, okay, whatever it is, but then you check all the code is correct over here. I guess no other comments on this. This is all good. What do we have actually? AI, SDK, Anthropic, Mastra Core, Mastra, OctaKit, Zod. Pretty light. Oh, we're switching to Bun. Why are we switching to Bun? Okay, stop this nonsense. Reject. Let's see. So this thing is runnable, right? I can import, execute. instructions, alarm name, pre-execute, execute. How do I execute with code? Let's see. The databases, local dev, creating projects. AI recruiter. So I defined a workflow. This is workflow. So this is to do what? Oh, so this is the steps. Okay. Okay. Can I run just this? Okay, something like that. Schema, response, agent. Generate. Generate takes two parameters. Role user content pure shit. Review PR. This one. Cool, but then how does it know you do instructions? This is without tools. Okay, with tools, add tool, serve application. Here we go on this one. Cool. User review PR. Okay. Let's roll it. Scripts. Reviewer. Source. Mastra. Why is it? Run source Mastra scripts. Run that, yes. Oh, I need logging. Prompt is too long. Cool. Where was the logging? Logging and tracing. Logger, create logger, and it's inside of here. Under what? Under here. Okay. You didn't log anything out. It just like failed. And then tried to send 200,000 tokens. Need login. logging. Once you have logger instance, you can call like this, like that. But inside of the, I need it inside of Windows console logger info. There's will informational messages and above to the console. Usage function is used to issue create logger. Yeah, console log, why not? Okay. Oh, so I did getting the diff. Okay, so the diff is too large. I see. I'm impressed that it's working. So the diff is too large. How big is the diff? 10,000. Maybe, okay, so let's see. So the diff is too large, and that was a step of what? The diff, get diff. Cool. The diff was too large to handle. Break it apart. Okay, so it has leave diffs, returns diffs, but then get files. What does it do first? Detail, change files, and tries to get the diff. Okay. Does this help? Nope, still large. Prompt is too long. Getting change files. Getting change files. That's a pagination. Okay. Oh, max token 4,000. What's the max token on? Next tokens on topic. $128,000. Skip files that log files, right? Because I think there was a change to the log file, and that's probably the largest one. Data log files. Also, how do I sure that works? Whatever. Okay. Getting change files. Add more logging. Still failing to pass. So it tries to do get pull request first, then get the files, then we'll also tries to get the file, skips this files, maybe okay, so maybe return just a list of file names and create a new tool that gets a full content of individual file. So I'm just gonna try to get the list of files first for a particular pull request, and then for that pull request, just get the list of files, nothing else. And a separate tool that just gives the content of the file. Right? Changes, addition, deletion. Right, there are a bunch of errors. What did you do? parse div. No, don't do this on a. Right, how's that gonna help? Output, is there output schema? Yeah. Add output schema on each individual tool. Okay, get file content path content size arrow. Okay. Okay, I don't need that. Don't. Okay, let's see. Okay. Breaking down by file makes sense. So how many steps is it gonna do? Alright. Did you actually make a call though? And you gotta make an API call to place the comment. Right, because just preview agent implementation. Cool. To vercel, let me check package.json. Done. Nice, but with event comment. Submit. Okay, so new one. They remove the thinking. Pixel errors. So enhance run to actually place preview comments on PO. Right, I think I have permissions, so get review comments. So there were review comments. List review comments. And then this is request. This is the file content. Get files, get diff, submit review. Notice this errors. Who actually? What do you do? Whoa. Oh, okay. Calculate a position. it combined the removed and changed together, so you probably won't be able to actually place a comment correctly. I'm not even sure how is that gonna figure out later. Interesting. It just executes this on a file system. Oh, okay, it starts. Okay, cool. Let's see, add more detailed blocks for actions so I can have visibility in what's going on. Also in helper functions. Right, they didn't place any comments. Let's see. Yeah, this is the only comment that I saw. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind. There is a review, but I want inline review within files. So you modified additions and deletions, keep them the same so you can place comments correctly on files. Let's see, what does it do? Your PR implementing GitHub PR review agent. Here's my detailed feedback. Positive files will structure code. Cool. Suggestion for improvements. Error handling. Try and catch. Configuration management. Documentation. Testing. File limit security configuration. Code specific comments, get files, in agent instruction, consider adding guidelines to security view. This is so wordy. Well, what does that do now? Is it still in use? It's still in use. Alright, cool. Just solve this and I think we might be done. If you fix this errors, okay, so what are the errors? There's one arrow here. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's rerun it. You're reviewing your own code. Oh, actually, hold on a second. Just push this code. Just push this code. When commented on code, use batch create comments tool to add. Yes, yes. Okay, cool. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, what am I using? Let's see. Okay, that's fine. What? admin dependencies. Update prompts, and then add explicit instructions to comment. Explicit instructions to comment. Cool. All right, so yeah, so the trackbot is actually yeah, dude, like took me 1 hour to replicate this scenario, so I'm not sure why would I use trackbot. The code rabbit with the sort of settings, more like in general, it actually has more functionality. It goes in and comments in line over here per each line, so that's pretty cool, I think, but I think it's still replicatable. It's not as difficult to replicate, I believe, so might need to just try it a little bit more. But let's try to run it over here. What is that gonna do? Gets the details, got the files, filtered the files with the log files. There's no large files. Skip the files with the log files, bon and PNP, all mixed up, whatever. Okay, yeah, there you go. Try to comment something. Let's see. Okay, keep final review concise. So update the prompt with this. And also, like, there was a failure over here. Did it try to comment? Batch comment. Okay, let's finish. Batch comment functionality fails with this error. So there is critical not found, major, minor, recommendation. That's nice, but I still want inline comments. So let's see. There was like an error over here. I was trying to Google. Unprocessable entity 422. So there's the documentation URL. Here are docs for this API. To comment specific line of a file, you need to first determine position of that line in the diff. That's what I want. the kit client. Yeah, so immediately try to like manually fetch something. Okay, you can override headers, so you can just override headers. That's all you gotta do. Don't fucking, it's already too much manual code. What are you doing? Git status. Sure, that's enough. Let's see, what are the changes? What are the changes that you've done? Yeah, it already gives me a diff. Oh, headers. It's a diff. Keep it brief, to the point. Severity. Important bullet point for clarity. We're repeating details. We're dimensioning like comments. Okay. Let's try to run it. $25,000 characters. Okay. I'm creating a view for myself, right? Okay, no errors. No errors found. Valid positions for 1 out of 6 comments. 16 headlines. 0 could not find position for this. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see any comments. Oh, here. Addition found several areas for improvement while maintaining school for the considered structure implements complete set of tools and PRV automation. Okay, cool. Overall review. Overall review is still too long. Overall review is still too long. Keep it ultra concise. Also, not all positions have been found for comments. Parse diff. I'm not sure why this needed. See, from here until here. Think hard to double check the logic for finding a correct comment. The fucking review comments. Get a review. lister view, updater view, creator reply, creator view comment from. Here's API docs. Make sure to use authenticate and implement necessary changes to place comments correctly. How many lines is this already? 7,700. It's rereading. Did you skip something? Or are you rereading? Position versus line. Yeah, why are you using that? Okay, it simplified the div logic. Why hawk headers to properly track positions? Okay. No, I don't need you to run this. What I'm trying to do is honk, not a honk. Let me just try to remove this. Let's do the diff. Start lines, take an additional track positions. Okay, there probably must be a way to add more lines for troubleshooting. It is still keep missing positions for comments. How can I delete this? Using process exit directly can be unsafe as it doesn't wait for pending operations to complete. Consider using proper shutdown sequence and handling cleanup operations before exit. Cool. Right. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. That's fine again. Whoa, valid positions for comments. But then for some reason the comments are showing up here instead of where I want it to. View review changes. Oh, I have to click like that. That's not convenient, but it's shippable. Update consider also making configurable through the tool parameters. Yeah, that's a miss, complete miss. Consider adding rate limiting handling retry for the API calls. That makes sense. Consider handling could be improved. Consider creating custom error types for different. That's actually pretty good. Really easier to test. Which could be made more robust by handling edge cases like empty files with only deletions. Consider adding validation and appropriate error handling for this scenarios. There you go. Okay, let's suggest all of that. And see where it gets us. I think there are probably some tests needed for this parse diff functionality because like I'm not even sure if this is correct here. Yeah, I think like maybe O3 mini is needed over here to just add like a little bit of logic, I think. Let's see. Edge cases properly, that's fine. Consider adding more specific error cases and handling them appropriately, for example. Cool. Nice. Looks good. Ship it. Adding improvements. Comments. Yeah, that looks good. Gonna probably include on this point over here and try to deploy this application so it actually gives me PR reviews all the time for all my PRs created. So I'll just probably create a webhook and just trigger this agent I'll do that in a separate video. I'll see you later.